Hi students, today we can study exercise 4.1 question number 9 onwards. Up to question number 8 already we are completed in previous videos. Then prove the following by using principle of mathematical induction. In here one statement given, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus etc. plus 1 by 2 raised to n equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to n. We have to prove using by mathematical induction. For proving this statement by mathematical induction, we will use 3 steps. First step is prove that P of 1 is true. Then second step is assume P of k is true. Then using by that second step, we will prove P of k plus 1 is true. That is third step. We can do now. First step, we can give in here one name first. Let P of n, that given statement. Step 1, prove that P of 1 is true. That is our first step. We can write LHS equal to, what is P of 1? In LHS, first term is P of 1. What is first term in here? 1 by 2. We can write 1 by 2. Then RHS equal to, in the place of n, we can give 1 time 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 1 means 2 only, isn't it? Equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, if you take LCM, you will get LCM is 2. Then 1 into 2, 2 minus 1. Equal to 2 minus 1, 1 divided by 2. Now we got LHS and RHS answer equal 1 by 2, isn't it? So we can write LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, P of 1 is true. That is our first step. Then second step, step 2, assume P of k is true. That is second step. How can I write P of k? P of k 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus etc. plus 1 by 2 raised to k. In place of n, we can write k. Then right side also 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to, in here also we can write k. That is equation number 1. Then step 3, prove that P of k plus 1 is true. We have to prove P of k plus 1 is true using by equation number 1. That is our third step. First, write P of k. One by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 plus etc. plus 1 by 2 raised to k. This is up to k. That is P of k. Again one more term we need. Then only we will get P of k plus 1, isn't it? You can write 1 by 2 raised to k plus 1 equal to right side 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to k plus 1. Then 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 etc. plus 1 by 2 raised to k. What is that? That is from equation number 1 we can write 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to k. 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to k plus remaining 1 by 2 raised to k plus 1 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to k plus 1. Right side we can write as it is. Then 1 minus, in last two terms, what is common? You can see 1 by 2 raised to k, isn't it? In here also 1 by 2 raised to k is there, isn't it? Then take minus 1 by 2 raised to k, not plus 1 by 2 raised to k. Okay, take minus 1 by 2 raised to k outside. Then remaining in here 1 minus, from this plus I took minus, that's why remaining only minus 1 by 2 raised to k plus 1. From here I took 2 raised to k. Then what is remaining? Remaining 1 by 2. Equal to, right side we can write as it is 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to k plus 1. 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to k into 1 minus 1 by 2. What will get? We will get 1 by 2 only. Equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to k plus 1. 1 minus 1 into 1, 1 divided by 2 raised to k into 2. Here 1 is there. We can write 2 raised to k plus 1. In between into means this power we can add k plus 1. Equal to, right side, right as it is, k plus 1. Now check it. LHS and RHS answer equal. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. So, P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true means, hence given statement is true. This is our answer. Just pause the video or write down in your notebook. Now we can see question number 10. In here also we have to prove given statement using by mathematical induction. First we can give one name. Let P of n equal to that a given statement. Step 1. What is step 1? We have to prove P of 1 is true. Prove that P of 1 is true. LHS. P of 1 in LHS means we can take first term. In here first term is 1 divided by 2 into 5. 1 divided by 2 into 5 equal to 1 divided by 2 into 5, 10. Keep in mind, this is 2 into 5, not 2.5. This is 5 into 8. Now, RHS. RHS equal to, in here, in the place of n, we can write 1. 1 divided by 6 into 1 plus 4. 1 divided by 6 into 1, 6 plus 4, 10. Now we got LHS and RHS answers equal. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. Step 2. What is step 2? We have to assume P of k is true. Assume P of k is true. That time how can I write P of k? P of k equal to 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 divided by 5 into 8 plus 1 divided by 8 into 11 plus etc. plus 1 divided by, in the place of n we can write k, then only we will get P of k. 3k minus 1, 3k plus 2 equal to right side also we can write k. K 6k plus 4. That is equation number 1. Then using by equation number 1 we have to prove p of k plus 1 is true. That is step 3. Prove that p of k plus 1 is true. How can I write p of k plus 1? First we will write p of k, isn't it? Then after one more term, right? That is p of k plus 1 we will get 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 etc. 1 by 3k minus 1 3k plus 2. We got first, this is p of k, isn't it? Then one more term we need, that one we can write 1 by 3 in the place of n. We can write k plus 1. K plus 1, then minus 1. 3, in here also we can write k plus 1. K plus 1 plus 2. Equal to right side n means k plus 1 divided by 6 into k plus 1 plus 4. From equation number 1, from here to up to here, inside the bracket, what we can write? We can write k divided by 6k plus 4. K divided by 6k plus 4. Plus, in here 1 divided by, remove bracket, 3 into k, 3k, then 3 into 1, 3. 3k plus 3 minus 1. In here 3 into k, 3k plus 3 plus 2 equal to k plus 1. We can remove bracket using by 6. 6 into k, 6k, 6 into 1, 6. 6k plus 6 plus remaining 4. K divided by, in here, what is common? Can you say? 2 common, isn't it? That 2 take outside. Then remaining 3k plus, from 4 I took 2 outside, then remaining 2. Plus 1 divided by 3k plus 3 minus 1, 2. 3k plus 3 plus 2, 5. K plus 1 divided by 6k plus 6 plus 4, 10. Just pause the video, write down in your notebook. In left side, anything common? You can see 1 divided by 3k plus 2. In here also 1 divided by 3k plus 2 common, isn't it? That 1 divided by 3k plus 2 take outside. Then remaining k divided by 2. Plus in second part remaining 1 divided by 3k plus 5. Equal to right side we can write as it is. One divided by 3k plus 2. Inside the bracket take LCM. What is LCM? We can write 2 into 3k plus 5. That is our LCM. Then multiple k into this 2. K into 3k plus 5 plus this 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Right side k plus 1 divided by 6k plus 10. Right as it is. 1 divided by 3k plus 2. Then using by k remove bracket, k into 3k, 3k square, isn't it? Then k into 5, 5k plus 21, 2. Divide by, remove bracket using by 2 also, 2 into 3, 6k plus 2 into 5, 10. Equal to k plus 1, 6k plus 10. Now, this 3k square plus 5k plus 2, we have to split. How can split? If you think directly, we cannot split that one. Check it right side. Right side, numerator part k plus 1. That means in here, numerator part no k plus 1. Isn't it? First, write k plus 1. When you split this part, that is 3k square plus 5k plus 2, we need k plus 1 because right side k plus 1 is there. Isn't it? Then denominator part, what is denominator? 6k plus 10. In here also 6k plus 10 is there. But what is extra? This 3k plus 2 not there in right side. Isn't it? That means this 3k plus 2 we have to cancel. Just write in here also 3k plus 2. Then starting place 1 by 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 2 into k plus 1 divided by 6k plus 10 equal to k plus 1 divided by 6k plus 10. Then check it. If you multiply this 2, you will get upside part. You can see 3k plus 2 into k plus 1. Multiple 3k into k, 3k square plus 3k into 1, 3k, 2 into k, 2k plus 2 into 1, 2. 3k square plus 3k plus 2k, 5k plus 2. Check it. Same, isn't it? Then how can I write? You have to understand in here right side k plus 1 is there. That's why I written first k plus 1. Then in right side denominator part only 6k plus 10 only is there. Already 6k plus 10 is there. What is extra? 3k plus 2 extra. We have to cancel that 3k plus 2. That's why I written 3k plus 2 also. Got it? What you will get? You will get k plus 1 divided by 6k plus 10. Equal to right side also k plus 1 divided by 6k plus 10. Now LHS and RHS equal. We can write LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true. So, given statement is true. That is our answer. Now we can see question number 11. Using by mathematical induction, we have to prove given statement. First, we can give one name. Let P of n equal to that given statement. Step 1. What is step 1? Prove that P of 1 is true. Then P of 1 in LHS side means that first term, that is 1 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. 1 divided by 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. LHS answer you will get 1 by 6. Then RHS equal to, in the place of n we can write 1, isn't it? 1 into 1 plus 3 divided by 4 into 1 plus 1. In here also 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Then 1 into 1 plus 3, 4. Divided by 4 into 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 4, 4, cut it. Then you will get 1 by 2 into 3, 6. 1 by 6. Now LHS and RHS answers is got same, isn't it? 1 by 6. We can write LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, P of 1 is true. Then what is second step? Second step, we have to assume P of K is true. Assume that P of K is true. P of K. P of K means 1 by 1 plus 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2 into 3 into 4 plus etc. plus last time 1 divided by n means we can write K, isn't it? Then in here also K. K plus 1. Next K plus 2. K plus 2. Right side also we can write in the place of n K. K into K plus 3 divided by 4 into K plus 1 K plus 2. That is equation number 1. Then using by equation number 1 we have to prove P of K plus 1 is true. That is step 3. Prove that P of K plus 1 is true. Here right now P of K plus 1. First write P of K, that is 1 by 1 into 2 into 3, 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus etc. plus 1 by K into K plus 1 into K plus 2. This is P of K, isn't it? Again one more term we need. What is that? We need P of K plus 1. K plus 1 we need, isn't it? That means in the place of n, what you will do? You will give K plus 1 plus 1 by, in here we can write K plus 1. In here also we can write K plus 1, then plus 1. In here we can write K plus 1 plus 2. Equal to right side, the place of n, right, K plus 1. K plus 1, K plus 1 plus 3 divided by denominator 4 into K plus 1 plus again one more 1. Then K plus 1 plus 2. From equation number 1, inside the bracket, what is that? That is K into K plus 3 divided by 4 into K plus 1 into K plus 2. We can write there K into K plus 3 divided by 4 into K plus 1 K plus 2 plus again one more term is there, write as it is 1 by K plus 1 K plus 1 plus 1 we can write 2 K plus 1 plus 2 3 equal to right side K plus 1 K plus 1 plus 1 2 into K plus 1 plus 2 3. Now in left side what are things common? We can see 1 divided by K plus 1 K plus 2. In here also 1 divided by K plus 1 K plus 2, isn't it? That 1 by K plus 1 K plus 2 take outside. Into then remaining K into K plus 3 divided by 4. This K plus 1 K plus 2 already I took outside, isn't it? Plus in second term 1 divided by K plus 3 because this K plus 1 K plus 2 I already took outside, then remaining 1 divided by K plus 3. Right side you can write as it is K plus 1 into K plus 4 divided by 4 into K plus 2 K plus 3. Just pause the video, write down in your notebook 1 by k plus 1, k plus 2. Then inside the bracket, take LCM. What is LCM? 4 into k plus 3. Just multiple denominators. 4 into k plus 3. Then this 2 multiple. K plus 3 into k plus 3. Plus 4 into 1. 4 into 1, 4. Equal to right side is k plus 1, k plus 4 divided by 4 into k plus 2, k plus 3. 1 divided by k plus 1, k plus 2. Remove bracket. If you remove bracket, in here, k into k square, isn't it? K square plus k into 3, 3k. K plus 3 plus 4. K plus 1 into k plus 4. 4 k plus 2, k plus 3. Then denominator, no need to remove bracket. Why? Because check it in right side, 4 outside, in here also 4. Then k plus 3, k plus 3. Everything is there, isn't it? No need to remove bracket. 1 divided by k plus 1, k plus 2. Then again remove bracket. K square into k cube. K square into 3, 3k square plus 3k into k, 3k square plus 3k into 3, 9k plus 4 divided by 4 into k plus 3. Right side as it is. One divided by k plus 1, k plus 2 into k cube plus 3k square plus 3k square, 6k square. Then 9k plus 4. 4 into k plus 3 equal to k plus 1, k plus 4 divided by 4 into k plus 2, k plus 3. 1 divided by k plus 1, k plus 2. Then we are going to change. First write k cube. Plus in here this 6k square. I am going to write 2k square plus 4k square. 2k square plus 4k square will get 6k square, isn't it? This 9k we can write k plus 8k. K plus 8k, 9k. Then plus 4. All divided by 4 into k plus 3 equal to k plus 1, k plus 4 divided by k plus 2, k plus 3. 1 divided by k plus 1, k plus 2. In first 3 times, what is common? K, isn't it? K take outside, in here remaining k square, in here remaining 2k, in here remaining 1. Plus last 3 times what is common? 4, 4, 4. Take outside then k square plus 2k plus 1 divided by 4k plus 3. Then this k square plus 2k plus 1. How we can write? Directly we can write that one. K plus 1 whole square. Possible? K square plus 2k plus 1 is k plus 1 whole square. And here also just write k plus 1 whole square. Equal to right side as it is. You can write. One by k plus 1, k plus 2 into what is common in here, k plus 1 whole square, in here also k plus 1 whole square. Take outside. Then remaining k plus 4 divided by 4 into k plus 3 equal to right side k plus 1 k plus 4 divided by 4 into k plus 2 k plus 3. You can cancel this k plus 1 and square, isn't it? Then remaining k plus 1, and here remaining k plus 4. Denominator 4 just write first, then k plus 2, then k plus 3 equal to right side, right as it is. Now check it, LHS and RHS both answer same, isn't it? We can write LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is 2. So, a given statement is, this is our answer.